iba, gumagamit sila ng syrup, yung sugar syrup. How do you call this syrup? Syrup. The syrup, so they don't have to melt the sugar, and they just put it with the pre-cooked potatoes, and that's about it. So expected time, cooking time is for this is
just heat it. It's already boiled.
Yeah, hindi na kailangan ng matagalan kasi pre-boil na yung potatoes. Just until na ma-coat yung potatoes with the sugar and butter. That's it. This is good for with the roast black, of course.